Ati, this is one question I would not like to answer on camera. I'm sorry, but this is something which I cannot do.
Sure, sir, it's okay.
Some things are better left unsaid, so can't do this. Sorry, guys.
Welcome to Rain Games, where we don't just create games, we create magic. And today is a very special day क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे इंसान है जिनकी स्टोरी IIT दिल्ली से लेके कैपिटल वन की कॉफी मशीन्स तक और उसके बाद लंदन की इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग स्ट्रीट्स और फिर रियल एस्टेट के बोर्डरूम्स तक जाती है. जी हाँ, वी हैव वन एंड ओनली तुषार सर विद अस टुडे, an investor, innovator, and a man with more transitions than a plot twist in a card game. So तुषार सर, वेलकम टू रेन गेम्स.
Thank you.
सर, वैसे आपकी जर्नी भी एक कार्ड गेम की तरह है, काफी मतलब स्ट्रैटेजी ऐसी है कि IIT दिल्ली, उसके बाद फिर कैपिटल वन में जॉब, उसके बाद लंदन जाकर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग सीखना और फिर रियल एस्टेट. मतलब इतना डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो तो मैंने शायद ही किसी का देखा होगा. तो इस डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के पीछे कोई बैक स्टोरी है तो आप हमें प्लीज बताएं.
Back story है यार. So love is also involved in that back story actually. My wife was at certain points of time somewhere. I was chasing her, my would-be wife. So some things were done because of that. Okay. Some things were done because life took me there. And it was not a lot by design. I wouldn't say that it was designed to be like this. It just happened. It was very organic. Whatever happened, whatever was the next opportunity which presented itself, we sort of grabbed it. And that is what led to all these things. So it was never very planned. Yeah.
सर, आप अपनी लव स्टोरी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? कुछ भी कैसे हुआ, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ?
So I met my wife or my would-be wife in one of these fests in IIT Delhi. Okay. And yeah, then she basically went to Hyderabad to join Oracle. So I followed her to Hyderabad, and between that, basically there was this thing where I joined Capital One, which was with your co-founder as well. And I know your co-founder for the last 23 years. Oh. And we have been friends since then. And yeah, so that was a campus placement post IIT Delhi. Post Capital One, I wanted to go and be with my wife or closer to my wife. So then I basically came to Hyderabad. Post Hyderabad, then I joined basically Deutsche Bank London because I was interested in trading. Okay. And yeah, post Deutsche Bank, which was post Lehman 2008 crisis. Okay. I came back and I started my real estate firm here in Delhi, which with God's grace has been doing well. So now we are sort of a small investor in your company as well.
Great sir, great. Sir, तो अब थोड़ी गेमिंग की बात करते हैं. तो आप ये बताइए कि आपका ये गेमिंग में इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया? मतलब शुरू से था या अभी बना है, मतलब कैसे?
Actually, so very serendipitous. I ended up meeting your founder, and I call him Polo because Polo is my friend. So I met Polo at one of these parties, and basically we started talking about gaming. And Polo, being Polo, was very, very lucid and very clear and very cogent about what he is doing in gaming. That is what got me interested. Wow. So basically, it is not like I'm interested in gaming. I am more bought over by the fact that Polo is doing gaming. Right? So for me, that is more important. Okay. Rather than the gaming part of it. Obviously, as and when I keep on talking to him and I see his enthusiasm about gaming, it's brilliant. I don't think anybody understands the nuances and the intricacies as well as he does. Yes, sir. So it's his infectious energy which has led me to sort of believe that gaming probably, and wherever he is doing or whatever he is doing with the energy he has, it is bound to do well. So that's what has got me to gaming more than anything else.
तो अगर मैं गेम्स की बात करूं तो आपकी कोई ऐसी पर्टिकुलर फेवरेट गेम रही है कभी?
Probably again something which I can't speak on the camera, but yeah. So something which is I like Rummy a lot. Okay. So what you guys are doing with Rummy and the way your interface is and the way with basically Magic Land does Rummy, it is amazing. So I like Rummy a lot. I have been enjoying Rummy. Before that, I the only gaming which is not really your money gaming, but what I used to like was Halo at one point of time on Xbox. And recently I started playing Hogwarts Legacy. Oh. So that is also one game which I'm really enjoying nowadays. So that's because of my daughter. But I finished the whole Hogwarts Legacy and I did the whole 200-hour gameplay. So I've done all that. So that's good.
That's great, sir. क्या आपके दोस्त, हमने सुना आपको प्यार से ट्रेंड सेटर बुलाते हैं, तो आपको ये ट्रेंड सेटर का टाइटल कैसे मिला?
Ati, this is one question I would not like to answer on camera. I'm sorry, but this is something which I cannot do.
Sure, sir, it's okay.
So some things are better left unsaid, so can't do this. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, sir. So, sir, basically रेन गेम से हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि हम लोग गेमिंग को एक एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं बल्कि एक फुल ऑन इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस बनाए. तो आपको क्या लगता है, गेमिंग एक सीरियस बिजनेस बन चुका है या लोग अभी भी उसे टाइम पास की तरह ही देखते हैं?
100% सीरियस है यार. There's no two ways about it, right? You have multi-billion-dollar companies which are coming up with a single game itself. Let's say something like a Hogwarts Legacy thing. Although it is not really related to Magic Land, but it is itself a multi-billion-dollar franchise. So gaming is serious.
Yes.
There is nothing non-serious about gaming, and gaming is here to stay.
चलो सर एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड
Sure.
करते हैं. सो लंदन की बेस्ट याद.
London ki best yaad, I think food at Lahore.
Okay. One thing about our CEO no one knows.
One thing about your CEO no one knows. Can I say that? Actually, that's a good one. He makes a kick-ass tehri.
Oh.
You do. So it's really good. So whenever you guys are here and there's a party happening, ask him to cook up his tehri.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure sir. Sure.
Yeah.
If Rain Games was a Bollywood movie, तो उसका नाम क्या होता?
Zalzala.
Trend setting या investing? Which one is a tougher job?
Trend setting.
What's the strangest pitch you have ever heard?
I haven't heard many actually, to tell you frankly.
Okay.
I mean, probably the only pitch I heard, I mean, that was not even a pitch. I was just listening to Polo talk about the company, and that's what it is. So, no pitches, nothing, never.
Okay. Who would win in a strategy game? You or Vaibhav sir?
Any day, Polo.
तुषार सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे. आपकी
Thank you so
जर्नी
much,
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और इंस्पायरिंग रही है हम सभी के लिए. और जाने से पहले बस हम ये आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे कि आपका कोई एक छोटा मैसेज हमारे आजकल के यूथ के लिए, गेमिंग यूथ के लिए, जिनको गेमिंग का इतना क्रेज है.
Don't just exhaust all your bank balances on Magic Land. Just keep some for yourself. And I guess that's what it is. Play responsibly.
तो गाइज ये थे हमारे तुषार सर, जिनसे बातचीत करके हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा और साथ ही में बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला. और मैं भी जा रहा हूँ लंदन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग का कोर्स करने, ताकि मैं भी आके रेन गेम्स में इन्वेस्टर बन सकूँ. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर प्रेशियस टाइम एंड योर इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स. थैंक यू सर.